Dear fellow citizens, it is an appeal to all of you. Please stay indoors and break the chain of transmission of the virus. It is very unfortunate that many are still continuing their normal routine of life. Many feel that they won't get infected. Many feel it is safe to go to their neighborhoods and their neighborhood is a safe place. I'm sorry, it is not so. We are dealing with a pandemic which has no cure as of now. 5% of the infected patients lose their life. It is not time to argue. It is not time to sensationalize. It is time to be practical and be responsible. We don't need to go out and buy rations every day. And even when we go out, we don't need to crowd. Government are doing their job. It's a wonderful decision of our Prime Minister to announce a lockdown across the nation. They are also ensuring that the essential commodities are available for all. In fact, the Karnataka government's decision to open the groceries for 24 hours is a wonderful decision. The main intent to do so is to reduce crowding. People don't need to panic. This video is not meant to create panic. On the contrary, this video is meant to create awareness and to bring some sense of responsibility in every one of us. Developed nations are struggling. Countries like US and Italy are really struggling today. As more and more infections happen, the critical care gets burdened. The health care has a limit. In a country like ours, our health care resources are sparse. Just imagine if 5% of our population lands up in the hospital, God forbid, in critical care. How are we going to manage? Do we have that kind of resources? So it is very important that we behave responsibly now. We have to break the chain of transmission. I'm sure all of us in our generation have not suffered smallpox for a simple reason that we were vaccinated. We also know that if a rabid dog bites, we will suffer with fatal rabies infection, which can be treated with vaccination immediately. Let's apply the same analogy here. We don't have a vaccine for COVID 19 and we don't have a cure for COVID 19. Just like how rabies continue to exist in the community and we continue to avoid contact with it, we can do the same here. Please stay indoors. Don't get in contact with any infected fomite or person. Save yourself, save the nation. There can be two scenarios. You need to make a choice here. Scenario one, where you continue your life as usual, infection spreads. Imagine infection spreads across 60 to 70% of our population and 5% of them are paying with their life. The kind of mayhem that will result, the loss of life, the chaos, as a society we fail. The second scenario is behave responsibly, stay indoors, break the chain of transmission, spend time with family. Do your duty by staying indoors. This allows to cut the transmission of virus. The limited number of patients infected with COVID can be managed by our frontliners and healthcare providers. By spreading the disease across time duration, we give ourselves a chance to fight it back. We give ourselves a chance to develop vaccinations. We give ourselves a chance to develop treatment. So stay alive Until then, please stay safe, stay home. Thank you.